I want to be an architect, and construction is like showing me the stuff that I need to do before I get to architecture. Hopefully I can be one of those people that help out build more in Bryan College Station and to make the place bigger and better. I wanted to join this because I do this a lot with my dad during the summer and when I was growing up. He would take me because like there would be nobody to help him out, and I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna help you out, pick up trash, like even if it's just a little bit, at least I'm helping out. Like that's the time where it's just me and him and we can have some communication and some good bonding time. After that, I started measuring with my dad, and I was working my way up. When I was going to high school, I seen that they had this for us and that they were gonna open it, and I was just telling myself that I was gonna do my best to make it in to CTEC so I could do this and experience what people don't have and that people should have.